guess we're gonna do another one just to show you guys.
Oh wait, did he break my shit off? The big one or little one? That's a little guy. Come on. Where you are? Where you going? Where you going, bro? Were you the one that took my shit earlier? Might look like it. Might be a different one. There it is. Oh, you gotta be fucking kidding me. You gotta be kidding me, bro. How? Alright, 2-0. That one I literally saw it coming up and grabbing it. It's kind of shitty that I missed it because it was way bigger. Must have forgot how to set a hook like a man. There we go. There we go. I'm gonna throw my back out on this one, but got it. Come on. Don't do that to me. Don't do that to me. Come on. Nice. Pretty nice. Just gonna give it one chance. Only have like at least not even like half an hour, because we still need to go get breakfast and then drive all the way to Kissimmee, which is an hour away. So let's see what happens. That's a fish right here in front of me. Here he goes for it. There's one behind it. There it is. Got you. Oh yeah, I saw you. Saw you. I saw you. Yeah, I literally saw him coming up to my bait slowly. This was pretty decent. I'm not trying to break my shit. You can see all the splashes. There's a lot of them right here. Alright, come this way. There we go. Hard. There we go. Pretty fish. It's a lot more in here than that too. Oh, you gotta be fucking kidding me, bro. No way. No way. No. Me and Mochi are back in Florida. We actually drove down here to bring the Lexus, and we're picking up the Rx8. We're finally gonna start the Rx8 project. Right now we're pulling to the compound. I gotta basically load the car up, and I have to clean the where I have my Rx8 at, because last time I was here, we went out to go get Air1 food, and I hit a big ass dip on the road and broke my oil pan. So I kind of put something under the car to make sure it didn't leak everywhere. But I mean, we leaked everywhere, honestly. It's kind of embarrassing. I kind of feel bad because I don't let me bring my car there and I fucked up his floors. But regardless, we're gonna go clean the floors, go to my my Uncle Julio's shop where he works at, and fix the car. So when I get back home, I don't have to worry about like fixing the oil pan. We have this crazy idea. If the part we're picking up this weekend pans up with Rx8, so hopefully it happens, and then we'll be able to make a lot of progress in the Rx8. Literally pulled up and they gave me this, like, yo, your shit's leaking. So I'm gonna go clean up my mess right now.
Look at this, you left your mark on the LC comp. Everyone keeps posting pictures of this because it's so hilarious. It's so like clean and beautiful in here. And you
can I bring this car to your shop now? Does not leak oil.
Does not leak oil. I mean, not anymore because it's all gone.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, this car's so hot, dude.
Yeah, but this is embarrassing.
Look at these rims.
Just call them rims.
Yeah. Thank God for that tray. Holy shit.
That thing.
So it looks like the BP oil spill again.
I'm trying to figure out how to have that much oil in it though.
Well, you know how oil is? Like a cup of oil looks like 10 quarts on the ground.
Dude, I mean, at least I kill some mosquitoes for Adam.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
We gotta push this thing on the fucking trailer?
Probably put some oil in it real quick and just back it up and drive it in real quick. It's a rotary, man. They don't need oil.
This car's cool as fuck.
You're getting an Rx8.
I want one now.
Damn, man, you're a really good friend, man.
Yeah, I guess. Oh, it's so slippery.
Yeah, you guys need to get yourself a Jimmy.
Oh man, don't worry, I'm gonna send the bill in the mail.
Alright, so I got the Rx8 outside. That thing is so heavy to push. We're gonna go ahead, clean the shop now, and load the car up. Alright, you guys can see, no more oil spill, super clean. I am gonna leave this car here still. For now, I'm just gonna take the Rx8 and head back to Virginia. Alright, Jimmy, so thanks for helping me with the oil, man.
Yes, sir. I heard you cleaned it up pretty good.
Oh yeah. Oh shit, you missed, bro, look.
I was trying to hit your camera, then your hand came in.
Oh,
Get
okay.
out of here. I'll see you soon. You gotta find me an FD.
Nah, man.
How many people say that to you? You gotta find me
Yeah.
this. Yeah.
You're 10 years too late.
Yeah, honestly.
Alright, man. I'm out though.
Safe travels.
So now we finally get to head out to see Julio. This thing took forever to get on the trailer, but I mean, this car, I don't know why, it looks so good. Literally, looks so good. Just gotta make it fast, so you were gonna talk fucking shit. My new camera guy.
Perro. Está volando. Perro. Vamos a YouTube. Dale un azote. Dale, que no hay policía. Tómate la luz. Vamos. Vamos. A la 1, a la 2 nos fuimos con la fuente vamos a pasear.
Yeah.
Toma, apagate eso.
And two. I think mine's bigger though. Mine's bigger. Alright guys, so packed everything up, ready to go back to Virginia. Got the Rx8 in the trailer. Was a pain in the ass getting in the trailer, but we had something really cool we picked up. Haven't really shown you guys because it's kind of a surprise. I'm gonna show you a little sneak peek until we get back to Virginia and show you guys what the plan for this thing is. Well, you see Rx8. So we got like 10 hours to go. So we'll just once we get to Virginia, we'll show you guys what we actually bought. Mochi might drive, right? You gonna drive?
Hey guys! Alright, so you know, we're doing the sketchy stuff right now. I'm gonna drop it straight in the front. Because he only needs the firewall, so he doesn't need the front of it.
Don't hit the truck.
Not gonna hit the truck, bro. Relax. I got a license, unlike you, a forklift license.
Shit expired 10 years ago.
Yo, forklift license expired?
No, they don't. It's like a driver's license.
Oh, so you
It
gotta
only
get,
expires when you hit 70 something.
like a fishing license?
Now, fishing license you gotta buy every year.
There you go. Fuck my shit up, man. Yo, stop.
What are you doing, man?
What is this?
This is financial mistakes. That's what this
Yeah?
is.
You know, you have no faith in me still?
Bro, look at this. Oh, the brakes don't work. There we go. You gotta pump them. It's like an old Volkswagen.
So lately I was bored on Marketplace looking around for shit. Mostly for RHD side skirts, so I was trying to get for some of my car. And I came across what I have never seen before, which is an Rx8 right-hand drive clip. Cheap enough that I had to get it. Mike still doesn't believe in me. He still doubts that this thing's gonna be cool as hell. We're about to have, what do you think, Gil? 1 out of 1 Rx8?
It's gonna be dope.
So before I bought it, let me see your light. So before I bought it, I literally hit up Gil. I'm like, hey Gil, would you help me with this? And the only reason why I bought this clip, literally because you say yeah. If not, I would not try doing this thing. Look how thick Mike looks from this angle. When are we starting on this thing?
As soon as you get the car over here, let's start cutting and shit.
Cutting.
Or you want to start fitting the motor, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do that.
So the whole idea of this build is to do all the work on this clip, and once it's done, then put it into the other car. Because right now I have a yellow FD doesn't run, I have a blue version don't run, a red FD don't run, because I'm building them. So right now I want to at least have one car that actually runs. Which is what I've been trying to tell Mike, but he don't believe in my idea.
I don't know. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cars that don't run.
I mean, that thing that has like 50 grand into it, still don't run.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Wait until you see that.
How much would we need? 30 more grand?
No.
Nah. What about Mike's 3-rotor car? What's up with that thing?
I already told him.
Look, if we get a certain amount of likes, like we'll do it.
Cap.
That's cap.
Show 'em
Cap.
the car.
Cap. Tell him Q.
Because, yo, we could have been put that motor that's on the shelf, powder coated, ready to go together, and put the motor in the car and put it together with a single turbo. Nah, it's like, nah, not
Why-
single
so
turbo.
Q?
3 turbo.
Why is the car not done though?
Because Mike got all kinds of projects going on right now.
What did you say earlier? that Michael Ryder finished a golf cart.
Oh yeah, a 6-rotor golf cart that finished his wide body FD. That's literally his dopest car.
Seen that car, bro?
Look at the wheels on that car, bro.
This is called what's it called, Gil? This intervention.
Doesn't he have a 3-rotor FD?
Does he?
No,
Yeah.
we're talking
So
about
he'll
Mike.
Talking about you.
Nah, we're talking
Yo,
about Mike, bro.
deflecting. You're deflecting.
He'll rather buy a right-hand drive clip RX8 than to finish his 3-rotor FD.
A little fight right there was whack. I didn't finish this car because I got this car.
Yo, can you
But
relax?
I didn't finish this car because this car is
Yo,
money.
yo, go finish your fucking loaders, bro.
Oh, okay, I'm finishing.
What if Gil gets the loaders done before Mike?
I'm most likely.
You are?
100%.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. As soon as I get this adapter, it'll probably be done before both your guys' 20.
Yo, can you
Damn, Mike. Well, Mike just left.
He's like,
Clip's pretty much complete. It has. Let me go on this side, you can see it better. So it has the steering rack, steering column, everything goes up there. It's all there, minus the dash itself. So now I'm gonna start putting the engine in it. I both of the mounts to it, so gotta drop this thing in there and see if I'm gonna be able to make my RX8 right-hand drive if it clears that. I'm not sure if this turbo kit is gonna clear unless we put it in and check it out. Let's drop the engine into the clip. The driver going right there. 69 hours later, engine's in. There's a pain in the ass because I was trying to put it into the factory location and to look at some pictures of the car because this engine used to be in a Mastertrix oil race car, and it just basically just drove some holes there. So problem is now is that to do it correctly, I have to put this subframe into an RX8 with a factory transmission on it to then mark where I need to drill those holes at. So got to basically stop for a little bit. Think I have my friend's RX8 I can bring in, put a subframe on it, the right-hand drive subframe, put the engine mounts, because it's the same engine, just put the engine mounts on the car, mark, drill, and basically be done. But that's not even the biggest problem. Biggest problem is down here. So if you look, make sure you can see down here. Come on, camera. So that's the steering rack coupler, and it's hitting the downpipe. I mean, I do want to make it right-hand drive, so plan B is going to have to be that I modify the manifold a little bit in the downpipe just to make it fit, because I have no other choice. But I might have to put like a little bushing, almost like a, I don't know how you call it, but like a little flex joint, U-joint on the rack itself, so that this pivots a little bit up here in the tip, and it lets me push push it this way pretty much somehow. So for right now, I'm just gonna leave it in this corner. I have to put this subframe in those engine mounts in a regular car with a transmission, so I can figure out where I need to drill those holes to, so I can actually start working this clip. So I mean, for now, not too bad. Just gonna go home. Sorry, late. Mochi's tired. Right, Mochi? You tired being there? So that's all the progress for the RX8. You guys can see for a little bit. I have to get back to this thing.